I used to use the same template that is used to trace a pattern on the parts, but it can be unsafe as the double-sided tape, as good as it is, can slip, causing the material to move around on a bit, spinning at 18 to 25,000 RPMs, which is unsafe. These jigs are designed to give extra runway for the bit to enter and exit the material while keeping their hands away from the bit. When designing jigs for finished shaping, make sure that the edges are smooth and continuous and provide no jagged spots. However, we are not spending hours perfecting this, since the next step in the process will further refine the shape of the legs. Our main goal at this step is to give us a flat reference surface directly on the part. Once we have this, we can remove the part from the jig and run it again on the router with the pattern bit. This bit will use the previously cut sections as its guide, giving us a much smoother surface. Once the spots have been flush trimmed, we change the router bit to a large roundover bit. This will create the initial flowing shape of the leg. We could use the router bit to completely round over every part and call it good, but the bearing rides on the wood. So if we round it over one side and flip the piece over and round it over the other side, the bearing will no longer be riding on a flat surface and will remove more material as it's riding on a curved surface that is recessed from the initial plane. Now this is why we are not spending hours on getting the jigs perfect and why leaving a flat surface on the edges was acceptable. This is the part that I love when building furniture like this.